Having strong muscles after 60 is possible with this natural drink. In this video, I explain the natural ingredients that can support your muscle strength, how to prepare this drink step by step, the best time of day to take it, and practical tips to help you stay strong and active after 60. Take note and keep this information in mind for yourself, your family, and your friends. Welcome to your channel Wellness at My Age, where we talk about health, longevity, and simple natural habits that help you maintain physical, mental, and emotional balance. Today, I want to share something very special with you, something that can transform your daily well-being. Let's begin. We always talk about the importance of maintaining muscle mass, but I want you to reflect on something. People often say that walking 1 hour a day is enough. If you are under 45, that works very well. But after that age, the body enters a natural process called sarcopenia, which is the gradual loss of muscle. And at that point, walking without proper guidance is not always enough. In fact, long or frequent walks can sometimes accelerate that loss. After 45, every year we lose an important amount of muscle mass. Walking is still healthy, of course, but on its own, it is not enough to improve issues like hypertension or diabetes. Sometimes, not even going to the gym reverses them if the training is not done with the right approach. That is why today I want to talk to you about what I call natural creatine. It is not a supplement, but rather a food that can offer similar benefits without the kidney concerns some people have about traditional creatine, even though those risks are usually minimal. I am talking about beetroot. One of the most interesting studies I reviewed, published in the Journal of Applied Physiology, analyzed beet juice combined with exercise. Researchers found that it increases blood flow to the heart and muscles, helping the heart work with less effort. If your heart normally beats at 90 beats per minute while walking, with beetroot it might drop to 70. That reduction improves endurance and physical performance. They also found that half a cup of beet juice is enough. More does not increase the effect. That is why half a cup a day can make a real difference, especially for older adults. I want to briefly share the story of Mr. Alvaro, a 67-year-old patient. He came to me concerned because he tired easily when walking. We worked on simple habits, including half a cup of beet juice every morning. Within a few weeks, he noticed better breathing and stronger legs. Many people relate to his story because they experienced the same thing without knowing where to begin. And surely you may be wondering, "Doctor, if I have high glucose, can I drink beetroot?" If half a beet raises your levels, that means your metabolism is so disrupted that even a natural food full of fiber and polyphenol affects you. In that case, the problem is not the beetroot. It is that your metabolic health needs professional attention. Before continuing, I invite you to subscribe to this channel, share this video, and activate the bell so you do not miss the upcoming content I prepare with dedication for you. Now, you should know that this increased blood flow not only boosts endurance, it can also help you gain strength. When beetroot is combined with other ingredients, this effect can be enhanced. It may even help lower blood pressure. Some studies show it can reduce systolic pressure by up to 10 points. It might seem small, but that lowering can reduce the risk of heart disease by 25%. And you do not need extracts, pills, or processed products. Natural beetroot is more affordable, more effective, and safe. If you have had a heart attack or a stroke, including it in your daily diet is a simple habit that can help you significantly. If beetroot raises your glucose, again, it is a sign that your metabolism is compromised and deeper lifestyle changes are necessary. In a lifestyle medicine program I lead, 87% of diabetic patients are able to reduce or discontinue their medication once they make the right adjustments. Many of them drink beet juice without raising their glucose. The question is, why doesn't it raise theirs, but it raises yours? Something to reflect on. Let me show you something essential to understand why beetroot works so well. Several studies compared different amounts of beet juice. Half a cup, 1 cup, or more. The result was surprising. All quantities produced the same effect. This means you do not need large amounts. Just half a cup a day gives you the most important benefits: better physical performance, increased blood flow to the heart and muscles, and a natural reduction in blood pressure. Now, how does beetroot achieve this? Our body produces nitric oxide, a molecule that allows arteries to relax and widen. When arteries open, pressure drops and blood circulates more easily. Beetroot helps increase the availability of nitric oxide. If your blood pressure is normal, it will not lower it further. But if it is high, your body responds by producing more nitric oxide, helping regulate it naturally. Here is an important warning. If you decide to take half a cup of beet juice every day, let your doctor know. I have seen many patients who, when combining beetroot with their blood pressure medication, begin to feel dizzy or weak. Not because the beetroot harms them, but because their pressure is improving and the medication begins to overlower it. Some cardiologists are not familiar with this evidence, but it is real and well documented. I remember Mrs. Teresa, a 71-year-old patient. She came in with very difficult-to-control blood pressure. We worked on simple habits, including half a cup of beet juice. In 2 weeks, her medication needed to be adjusted. Not because anything was wrong, but because her body was responding. Many people experience the same situation without understanding what is happening. No one should stop taking medication on their own. That must be handled professionally within a lifestyle medicine program, where we guide the process safely and correctly. Beetroot on its own is already powerful, but we can strengthen its effects by combining it with something as simple as lemon verbena water, also known as lemon bee brush. Studies from the International Society of Sports Nutrition show that this plant reduces muscle damage and speeds up recovery after exercise. This is especially important for you if you are between 55 and 75 and are losing muscle due to the natural aging process. When you mix beetroot with lemon verbena water, not only does more blood and more nutrients reach your muscles, but you also reduce the damage associated with exercise and recover strength more quickly. And this is not only for athletes. If you walk, do light exercises, use light weights, or simply want to protect your muscle, this combination can help you immensely. I see it in older adults and also in younger people who train hard. That is why I recommend blending beetroot directly in lemon verbena water. It is a simple and accessible way to get a double effect: better performance and less muscle damage. In the next section, I will explain how to prepare this drink so you can truly benefit from it in your daily routine. I often call this mixture my nutritional creatine, because it offers very similar benefits without the need for expensive supplements. And the best part is that everything is supported by solid studies. Lemon verbena has been shown to improve strength and accelerate muscle recovery in people who exercise, both older adults and athletes. This is not improvised home remedies. It is scientific evidence applied to real life. But I do not want you to look for processed extracts. The ideal option is to use the fresh plant, the one you buy at the market. That is where it maintains its natural essence, which is what truly matters. To enhance this combination even more, we need to add vitamin C. There are several ways to do it depending on your preference. A small handful of arugula, 2 or 3 strawberries, a few pieces of broccoli, or a few drops of lemon. Any of these options works very well. What matters is combining the lemon verbena water with beetroot and the vitamin C source so your body can absorb the nutrients more efficiently. Just remember something important. This drink works best on a light stomach. If you have just eaten a very heavy meal, the effect decreases. So I recommend taking it at a time when your digestion is calm, so you can absorb all its benefits. In summary, prepare lemon verbena water, blend half a cup of beetroot in it, and add arugula, strawberries, broccoli, lemon, or red bell pepper. You do not need anything more. It is simple and powerful. I have seen remarkable changes with this recipe. Recently, I treated Mr. Ernesto, a 68-year-old man who was losing strength and getting tired easily. I recommended this drink as part of his routine, along with adapted strength exercises. In 3 weeks, he was already climbing stairs without stopping and regained the confidence he thought he had lost. That is what I want for you: to regain your independence, your vitality, and your joy. Many patients come to me tired of taking medications that cause discomfort. They tell me they want to feel well, sleep peacefully, move without pain, and go to the bathroom without worry. That, more than a number on a test, is true well-being. And the right nutrition can give you that. That is why, if you want to move toward a healthier lifestyle, you are always welcome to learn with us. Before ending this video, I want to ask you something from the heart. If this content has been useful to you, I invite you to subscribe activate the notification bell, leave your comment, and share this video with someone who needs it. We upload content every day, always with the purpose of supporting you on your journey toward better health. I would also like to invite you to give thanks to God for life, for the opportunity to learn, and for every day He allows us to move forward in our well-being. None of this would make sense without that great gift of being alive and being able to take care of ourselves. On this channel, Wellness at My Age, it brings me joy to accompany you, see you grow, and help you build habits that truly transform your life. Tomorrow we will have a new video prepared with dedication for you. I hope you join us, because here you will always find valuable, simple, and thoughtful information designed to improve your health. I will see you tomorrow.